Hello and welcome back to our Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and today we're discussing this product, DT1565. This product is part of our EcoMix Super Concentrates range and is accredited to our climate certification. It is an effective bactericidal cleaning concentrate for all catering, healthcare and other hygiene-critical areas. It is certified to many EN standards, including BSEN 1276, BSEN 1650, BSEN 14675, BSEN 14476, as well as BSEN 13704. This product is tough and effective against bacteria, envelope viruses and norovirus. This formulation is non-tainting and fragrance-free and is used to kill common healthcare and general pathogens. So this product is suitable for use on all water-washable surfaces, such as food prep areas, tables, chairs and common touch points. It is also ideal for cleaning floors in offices, schools, hospitals, canteens, as well as other hygiene-critical areas too. To apply this product, use a mop, cloth or spray, then work it into the surface and wipe away. Now let's see how this product is dosed.
To use an EcoMix Super Concentrate, remove the cap carefully in a push and twist motion. Squeeze the container gently to allow the chemical to rise up through the tube and fill the reservoir. Release the bottle and allow the liquid in the chamber to settle. This is now an accurate 10 ml dose of Super Concentrate. To use this in a trigger spray, fill the trigger spray with water first, then add one 10 ml dose of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate. Replace your trigger head securely. Then rotate the bottle twice to ensure that the solution is mixed. To create 5 litres of solution, fill a bucket with 5 litres of water first. Then take your EcoMix and add 2 10 ml doses of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate to the bucket.
Scan the QR code on this product or head to www.clenasupplies.co.uk for more information. There is also access on the website to specification sheets, safety data specifications, bug kill rates and chemical safety assessments where it applies to products. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team. Thank you.